The Mercedes-Maybach S580 has always represented effortless luxury, but the latest version takes personalization to another level with the stunning MANUFAKTUR olive metallic exterior and the rich MANUFAKTUR exclusive Nappa leather upholstery in tobacco brown. Together, these carefully selected finishes create a combination that feels timeless, elegant, and unmistakably handcrafted. Rather than relying on flashy styling, this configuration proves that true luxury comes from attention to detail, premium materials, and a design that will remain beautiful for years to come. The first thing that catches the eye is the MANUFAKTUR olive metallic paint. Unlike traditional green finishes, this sophisticated color changes its personality depending on the surrounding light. Under bright sunshine, it reveals subtle metallic highlights that emphasize every curve of the long sedan. During the evening or under softer lighting, the finish becomes deeper and more understated, giving the car an elegant presence without demanding attention. It is the type of color that rewards a closer look and reflects the exclusivity expected from a Mercedes-Maybach. The long proportions of the S580 provide the perfect canvas for this premium finish. Chrome accents surrounding the windows, the signature Maybach grille, and the polished forged wheels contrast beautifully with the olive metallic paint. Every reflection across the bodywork highlights the precision of the panel shaping and reinforces the impression that this is far more than a luxury sedan. It is a carefully crafted statement of refinement. Mercedes-Maybach has also refined several exterior details that complement this exclusive color. The redesigned grille is larger and more sculptural, while optional illuminated elements create a welcoming presence when approaching the vehicle. The lighting signatures at both the front and rear have been updated to provide a cleaner and more modern appearance. Small touches, including the floating Mercedes-Benz star on the forged wheels, demonstrate the level of engineering and craftsmanship that defines the brand. Opening the doors reveals an interior that immediately feels warm and inviting. The MANUFAKTUR exclusive Nappa leather upholstery in tobacco brown transforms the cabin into a private lounge inspired by handcrafted furniture rather than conventional automotive design. The rich brown leather covers the seats, dashboard, center console, and door panels with exceptional precision. Every stitched seam reflects hours of careful craftsmanship, while the natural grain of the leather adds character that cannot be replicated by synthetic materials. The tobacco brown interior works exceptionally well with the olive metallic exterior because both colors share a natural and sophisticated personality. Instead of relying on bright contrasts, the combination creates harmony. The warm leather tones complement the elegant green exterior, resulting in an atmosphere that feels welcoming, luxurious, and relaxing from every seat. Passengers quickly notice that comfort extends far beyond premium materials. The executive rear seating provides generous space for relaxation, while advanced climate control, refined ambient lighting, and carefully engineered sound insulation create an environment where outside distractions seem to disappear. Whether traveling across the city or covering hundreds of miles, every journey feels calm and composed. Technology has also taken a significant step forward. The latest Mercedes-Benz Operating System makes its debut in a Maybach model, introducing faster responses, improved connectivity, and an even more intuitive user experience. The fourth-generation Mercedes-Benz User Experience interface features elegant Maybach-specific graphics that blend naturally with the luxurious surroundings. Large digital displays provide access to navigation, entertainment, vehicle settings, and intelligent voice controls while maintaining a clean and uncluttered appearance. Powering the Mercedes-Maybach S580 is a newly updated electrified 8-cylinder engine that combines effortless performance with improved efficiency. The mild hybrid system delivers smoother acceleration, stronger response, and quieter operation, without compromising the refined driving character expected from a flagship luxury sedan. Enhanced insulation throughout the vehicle further reduces road and engine noise, allowing conversations to remain effortless even at highway speeds. Mercedes-Maybach also continues to expand its personalization options through the MANUFAKTUR program, giving buyers the opportunity to create a vehicle that reflects their individual taste. From exclusive paint finishes to handcrafted leather colors and bespoke interior details, nearly every element can be tailored to meet personal preferences. The olive metallic exterior, paired with tobacco brown exclusive Nappa leather, stands out as one of the most elegant examples of what this program can achieve. The result is a luxury sedan that appeals to owners who appreciate subtle sophistication rather than unnecessary extravagance. Every surface, every material, and every carefully chosen detail contributes to an experience that feels exclusive without being overwhelming. The Mercedes-Maybach S580 finished in MANUFAKTUR olive metallic with MANUFAKTUR exclusive Nappa leather in tobacco brown demonstrates that genuine luxury is not about attracting attention. It is about creating an environment where craftsmanship, comfort, technology, and timeless design come together in perfect balance.